All right, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add someone's first name directly into your email subject line inside Klaviyo. First, from your Klaviyo dashboard, go to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Open an existing email campaign or create a new one, either works. Once you're inside the campaign setup, click on Edit. This is where we'll add personalization. Now drag text onto your template and delete the sample text. On the right side of the subject line box, click the Personalize button. From the drop-down, select First Name, then click Insert. Then copy the variable, go back to subject line, and paste it. Now just write your subject line around it. For example, first name, your order is ready. If their name isn't available, Klaviyo will use your fallback word like hey. If the subscriber has a first name on file, Klaviyo will use it. If not, it will show the default text. Finally, click Preview and Test to see exactly how it looks for different subscribers, or send yourself a test email. Save your changes, and that's it. That's how you add first name personalization in any Klaviyo subject line. Thanks for watching.